G'day everybody, thanks for joining me. I hope you've been enjoying these videos. Again, just a couple of moments on something really helpful. When I first started shooting, I do this all the time. I go out, there'd be an amazing sunrise or some incredible dolphins or something beautiful happening, and I take all the shots that I want. I'd be really excited and really pumped, and I'd come home and I'd go to process them, so I put them into Lightroom and I'd pull them up, and they're all super noisy. Just got bits of rubbish all over them, and I would get really frustrated because what happened is I forgot to reset the ISO down to 100. You see, every sensor is made and created for a premium ISO number. Some are 200, the Nikon Z6 and a bunch of others are 100. And what that means is when your ISO is on 100, it's the sensitivity of your sensor and it is operating primo. As good as your sensor is made to operate. It's like ground zero, it's where we all start. And what happens is as you need more light throughout a shoot, you increase your ISO. Then you can forget about it, put your camera in your bag, go out in your next shoot, pull your camera out and shoot the whole thing without remembering to change your ISO. Because if I shoot full manual, but if you use automatic or shutter priority or aperture priority, your ISO doesn't feature in, you just forget all about it. So I would encourage you at the end of every shoot, check your ISO, pull it down to 100. At the start of every shoot, make sure your ISO is on 100 and build up from there. How short's that? But helpful, I hope, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hand looks sick, hey?